Jet Variable Speed Wood Lathe allows you to perform a variety of functions for your wood turning projects. In this example, we'll be demonstrating how to turn a bowl blank. Before turning on your lathe, be sure to remove all jewelry and that any loose hair is pinned back. Using diagonal lines, determine and mark the center of your wood piece. Next, align the crosshatches with the bolt holes on the left and right. Using 4/4-inch lag bolts, secure the 4 bolts into the bowl blank. Thread the bowl blank onto the spindle and firmly hand tighten, but be sure not to over-tighten. Take a 3mm Allen wrench and tighten the set screws down. Use a rest that's appropriately sized for the work you're doing, and select the appropriate speed range on the pulley. Adjust the lock lever and nut. Now turn the machine on and apply the tool against the piece with slow movements and consistent pressure. Adjust the speed as needed. Apply the sandpaper against the wood piece, moving constantly to smooth all sections of the piece. Learn more about the Jet Variable Speed Wood Lathe on our website. And don't forget that your tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.